Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we're going to go over part 1 of 2 of Unlocking Financial Success, the top smart money strategies for wealth building. Make sure to watch until the end because I will be going over some powerful strategies that can revolutionize your finances. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Introduction to Smart Money Strategies. Having a solid strategy is paramount, if not essential, when it pertains to achieving financial success and wealth building. In today's video, we will examine the top smart money strategies that can help you unlock your financial potential. These strategies include budgeting, saving for emergencies, investing, debt repayment, negotiating better deals, financial education, automating savings, and reviewing financial goals. By understanding and implementing these strategies, long-term wealth and prosperity will be on your horizon should you take control of your finances. This will help you to create your own path. 1. Understanding the mindset for wealth building. Before delving into the specific strategies, having the right attitude towards wealth building is key. Examples of this state of mind are a combination of discipline, patience, and a strong belief in your ability to create abundance. Transforming your state of mind from scarcity to abundance is what is required. One of the important aspects of the wealth building mindset is understanding that money is a tool, not an end goal. Creating value, making smart financial decisions, and continuously learning and growing is crucial. By implementing this state of mind, you can cultivate the right attitude, habits, and behaviors required to build and sustain wealth. 2. Creating financial goals for wealth creation. Creating an understandable and transparent set of financial goals is crucial for the purpose of building wealth. Without goals, it becomes easy to lose focus and control over your finances. Knowing what your long-term financial objectives are, whether it be early retirement, purchasing a home, or even starting your own business, needs to be established first. Once these goals have been ascertained, small, short, and medium-term action plans can be taken. Utilizing the acronym for your goals, SMART, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, will help to keep you accountable and staying motivated. Document and review your goals often. Revise when and where required. Your clear vision of your goal will ensure that your financial decisions and actions are aligned with your long-term aspirations. 3. Creating a budget while monitoring expenses. Financial security will follow when you create a budget and manage your finances well. The function of a budget is to help you organize your income and expenditures, rendering it that much easier for you to make well-educated financial decisions. First, you will need to make a comprehensive list of all your sources of income, including your salary, investments, and any additional sources of income you may have. Next, categorize your expenses into fixed costs, such as rent or mortgage payments, and variable expenses such as groceries or entertainment. Identifying areas in which you can save money by reducing expenses can be accomplished by carefully monitoring your expenses. This can be done through the use of personal finance applications or spreadsheets. To ensure you're on track towards your financial objective, it is imperative that you review your budget on a regular basis. This will shed light on whether or not you're adhering to it and thus making progress. Every dollar saved gets you closer to your financial freedom. 4. Saving and investing for future wealth. Saving money is the recipe for accumulating wealth. Cultivate the habit of saving a portion of your income monthly. Start with 20% of your earnings and go from there, income permitting. Should this process be difficult, set up automatic transfer to a dedicated savings account if you have to. The key is to save something each month, no matter how small. Another key to generating long-term wealth is investing. This goes hand in hand with savings. Investing allows for your money to grow and provide favorable returns. Options for investing can be stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. To reduce risk and maximize your earning potential, diversify your investment portfolio. To do so, you need to spread your investment among different asset classes. This will minimize the impact of any underperforming asset class on your entire portfolio and therefore lead to an increase in the likelihood of achieving your overall financial goals. 5. Diversify your investment portfolio. Another smart strategy to mitigate risk and maximize your returns is diversifying your portfolio. By spreading out your investments, you reduce the impact of any single underperforming investment. Options you can invest in are a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments. This will ensure you are protected from market fluctuations and economic downturns. Evaluate and readjust your portfolio as often as possible to ensure that it is consistent with your risk appetite and your financial ambitions. 6. The power of compound interest and passive income. Compound interest and passive income are powerful wealth building tools. Compound interest allows your investments to grow exponentially over time as the interest earned is reinvested and generates even more interest. Investing early gives your money more time to compound. Passive income, in contrast, refers to the earnings one receives without actively engaging in work. This can encompass various sources such as rental income, dividends from investments, or royalties from intellectual property. Wealth generation and additional cash flow can be accelerated through the timely use of multiple and passive sources of income. 7. Building an emergency safety net and protecting your assets. Creating an emergency safety net for unforeseen circumstances is an essential measure in safeguarding your financial stability. Unexpected events can occur, and this is where having a financial cushion can bring peace of mind. It can protect you from acquiring debt while experiencing emergencies. Your emergency fund should include an equivalent of up to 6 months of living expenses. Aside from establishing a financial safety net, it is crucial to secure your assets through insurance. Assess your insurance requirements such as health, life, home, and even auto insurance. Financial setbacks can be mitigated by obtaining the appropriate amount of insurance coverage. This concludes part 1 of Unlocking Financial Success, the top smart money strategies for wealth building. Join me in part 2 where I reveal to you the remaining 6 strategies. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.